Precision engineering begins here, within these walls. Our journey begins with raw aerospace-grade metal alloys.
Precision CNC cutting shapes the aerospace-grade metal.
Robotic welding seamlessly fuses the components. From raw materials, the aerodynamic shell emerges.
Every surface is meticulously inspected for perfection. The heart of precision, advanced guidance systems. Specialized engineers prepare to integrate these vital systems. Each GPS module is carefully embedded, ensuring pinpoint accuracy.
With the initial systems integrated, the missile's intelligence takes form.
Next, the radar seeker, crucial for target acquisition, is carefully integrated.
Advanced chips, the missile's brain, are precisely wired into place.
With all systems integrated, a comprehensive diagnostic ensures flawless function.
The missile's protective shell is sealed, securing its vital components.
Now, to the highly restricted bunkers, where the destructive power is installed. Under extreme safety measures, a technician prepares for transport.
With utmost care, the warhead is lowered into the missile's core.
The warhead is then securely fastened, ready for its deadly purpose.
With its destructive core in place. The powerful rocket motor, engineered for immense thrust, awaits its installation.
Technicians meticulously examine the rocket motor, ensuring flawless construction.
Leaving the secure bunkers, the missile moves towards its final assembly point. In the assembly bay, the missile and its propulsion unit are brought together. Robotic precision ensures perfect alignment for the rocket motor. The rocket motor is seamlessly integrated, forming a unified propulsion system.
With the rocket motor in place, the missile gains its powerful thrust. Comprehensive checks confirm the propulsion system's readiness.
The final casing is sealed, completing the missile's robust structure.
Now fully assembled, with guidance and propulsion systems integrated, the missile is prepared for rigorous testing.
Into the heart of the test facility, the missile is positioned for evaluation.
Within the chamber, advanced sensor arrays and robotic systems prepare for their tasks. The simulated launch sequence initiates, bringing the missile to life.
Extreme heat tolerance is tested, pushing the missile to its thermal limits. From the control room, technicians monitor every critical parameter. Next, the targeting accuracy is evaluated. The missile's sensors awaken.
The diagnostic screen reveals a slight deviation, a challenge to overcome.
An unexpected anomaly requires immediate attention and precise analysis.
The missile remains in the chamber, its current challenge a critical hurdle to precision.
The engineer delves into the complex data, searching for the root cause of the targeting anomaly.
A critical error code points to a specific subsystem, deep within the missile's core.
With the problem identified, the engineer makes a critical decision: direct intervention.
A precisely controlled robotic arm opens a diagnostic panel on the missile. Deep within, a crucial chip flickers, indicating the source of the malfunction.
A technician, clad in specialized gear, enters the chamber for the delicate repair. With surgical precision, the technician addresses the faulty component. A delicate adjustment, and the critical component stabilizes.
With the repair complete, the targeting test is reinitiated, with renewed hope.
The new readings show improvement, yet still fall short of absolute perfection. With the final accuracy checks completed, the missile's performance data is meticulously reviewed.
Specialized transport vehicles, designed for maximum security and stability, await to carry these precision instruments. The journey to the military base is often long, traversing remote and secure routes. Upon arrival, rigorous inspections are conducted to ensure the integrity and security of the weapon system.
Once cleared, the missile is carefully moved into a secure hangar, awaiting further protocols.
Within the hangar, each missile is placed in a designated secure bay, ready for its ultimate purpose. At the launch pad, engineers and technicians collaborate to configure the missile for a complex, simulated combat scenario.
The simulation initiates, displaying promising initial data, until a subtle anomaly begins to surface.
The anomaly persists, demanding immediate attention and analysis. Recognizing the severity, the electronic engineer immediately initiates a manual diagnostic, consulting his specialized tablet. Simultaneously, the technician conducts a physical inspection, discovering a subtle, unexpected irregularity. A deeper examination reveals a minute fault within a critical guidance system component, requiring precise intervention.
The telemetry data shows a spike right here.
That matches the damage on this red wire. If this fails, we lose guidance.
With the problem identified, a precise diagnostic procedure is quickly devised to pinpoint the root cause. A specialized diagnostic tool is swiftly deployed, connecting directly to the missile's core systems to gather deeper insights.
The newly deployed diagnostic tool immediately begins to stream intricate data, but the root cause remains elusive.
Faced with conflicting information, the team meticulously sifts through the data, seeking clarity in the chaos. A deeper dive into the data reveals a cryptic error message, seemingly contradicting all other readings.
Faced with an unprecedented anomaly, the team makes the difficult decision to proceed with a more invasive diagnostic, risking further complications.
With extreme caution, the technician begins the delicate process of accessing the missile's internal systems.
Deep within the missile's intricate layers, an unexpected physical anomaly is discovered, complicating their every assumption.
The engineer's digital diagnostics clash with this unforeseen physical flaw, deepening the mystery and the challenge.
The tablet now presents a grim prognosis. The physical...
The true scope of the problem is now starkly clear. a multifaceted failure demanding immediate, specialized intervention beyond their current capabilities.
With time of the essence, an urgent call is placed, summoning a specialized team and rare components.
We need assistance immediately. System failure is imminent.
Responding to the urgent call, a specialized emergency response unit swiftly arrives, bringing critical expertise and advanced equipment.
Telemetry spiking across the board. Total guidance failure on channels 3 through 8.
Hydraulics showing critical pressure loss.
Reroute to auxiliary power. Stabilize the main bus.
Understanding the intricate web of failures, the lead specialist issues precise instructions, directing the team to gather specific, critical data points.
To address the deep-seated issue, the technician carefully retrieves specialized, rare components from a highly secured container. The moment of truth arrives as the technician attempts the delicate replacement, a critical maneuver demanding absolute precision. Just as the component seats, an unexpected electrical surge destabilizes the system, threatening to unravel their progress. The unexpected surge confirms their fears. This repair demands a level of daring and ingenuity far beyond their initial estimations. Faced with an unprecedented challenge, the specialized team meticulously reevaluates their strategy, delving into advanced schematics for a daring new approach. A calculated risk becomes imperative. The lead specialist makes a difficult, high-stakes decision that could either save or doom the mission. With the new, daring strategy approved, the technician meticulously prepares for an even more invasive and high-risk repair procedure.
Simultaneously, the electronic engineer monitors a new diagnostic screen, displaying volatile energy readings that underscore the extreme.
Under immense pressure, the technician executes a perilous maneuver, using a laser tool to precisely cut into the missile's delicate structure.
Just as a critical connection is severed, an unforeseen coolant leak erupts, adding another perilous layer to the already dire situation.
The new, critical complication forces the team into an immediate, urgent huddle, debating their next perilous course of action.
We have a containment breach on sector Gamma 12. Engineer, bypass the main valve immediately. Technician, monitor pressure levels.
The critical countdown continued, each passing second a testament to the precision and peril of their work.
Every data point was scrutinized, every anomaly a potential catastrophe. The pressure anomaly persisted, demanding immediate attention.
Time was of the essence. A solution had to be found, swiftly.
A manual intervention was deemed necessary, a delicate task under immense pressure.
With steady hands, the technician initiated the delicate repair, hoping to avert disaster.
A collective sigh of relief as the systems responded, pressure stabilizing.
Teamwork and expertise had once again averted a potential catastrophe.
With the systems fully stabilized, the missile stood ready for its next rigorous evaluation. The next phase of testing commenced, a relentless pursuit of perfection.
The next phase, a grueling heat tolerance test, pushed the missile to its absolute limits.
Under relentless thermal assault, the aerospace-grade metal began to tell its own story.
The engineers' readings confirmed their fears. The missile was reaching its thermal limits.
A stark warning blazed across the main display, demanding immediate, drastic action.
No time for hesitation. The technicians sprang into action, a desperate race against the clock. Every movement was precise, a race against escalating heat and dwindling time. Despite the technicians' efforts, a critical hotspot persisted, a stark reminder of the immense forces at play.
A desperate gambit was required, A choice that could save or doom the entire project.
A desperate action!
The crisis receded, replaced by a cautious calm as the systems slowly returned to nominal.
With the thermal crisis averted, attention turned to the missile's ultimate purpose: precision targeting.
The electronic engineer meticulously calibrated the guidance system, a symphony of micro-adjustments.
With a soft pulse of energy, the missile's advanced sensor dome came alive, its eyes now open.
Across the chamber, a holographic target materialized, awaiting its digital fate.
Deep within the missile, its targeting system acquired the mark. A perfect lock-on.
The moment of truth arrived as the missile's motor ignited, preparing for its simulated flight. But a critical flaw emerged. The missile's trajectory diverged, betraying its intended path. A shared moment of disbelief. The realization of a profound, unexpected failure.
The grim truth solidified. A critical guidance system failure. A devastating blow to the project.
The guidance system, once the missile's keenest eye, now flickered into silence, broken.
The devastating guidance system failure demanded immediate, radical action. The weight of the project now rested on their shoulders. A crucial, new component was prepared. A delicate heart for a wounded weapon.
Time was a luxury they didn't possess. A desperate plea for guidance echoed through the secure channels.
With surgical precision, the robotic arm removed the damaged shell, revealing the raw, volatile heart of the malfunction.
Under the watchful eye of the systems, the technician performed a surgical replacement, a steady hand against chaos.
On the main screen, the system slowly pieced itself back together, a fragile hope in a sea of red.
The final connection, a delicate sealing of the missile's newly repaired guidance system.
The missile's digital heartbeat returned, flickering from caution to a confident, steady green. The project was salvaged, the missile reborn. A quiet triumph in the heart of the plant.
With the guidance system restored, the missile, now fully operational, entered its final phase, preparation for deployment.
From the sterile confines of the testing chamber, the missile began its journey, a silent sentinel of precision.
Through the heart of the manufacturing plant, the missile glided, a testament to human ingenuity and precision.
Into the specialized transport, the missile was carefully secured, a final step before its journey to the outside world. Emerging from the shadows of its creation, the missile now faced the open world, destined for its ultimate purpose. Across vast distances, the convoy moved, a silent pledge of power and precision. The long journey ended at the fortified gates of a military base, a new chapter beginning for the weapons within.